grub. Getting right to it. This is the Berkeley pumpkin seed again. I'm just gonna play in the lagoon here for a few minutes. And then I'll, I don't know if I'm gonna go necessarily wade in the surf today, or if I'm gonna even really do a whole lot. I may go out on the end of the jetty, but there's like storm surges coming in right now, so the surf is just absolute garbage, so like almost unfishable. So we'll see if I can get out onto the jetty here in a bit. See if I can kind of get past that little jetty out on the end over there. Just seemed like too nice of a day to not get out and do a little fishing. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Pick up some stuff. Just trying to get out here and fish for a little bit. I'm out on the jetty right now. Probably try the lagoon here in a minute. Maybe come back out to the jetty. But yeah, it's a nice day. Figured I'd get out for at least a minute, see if I can get a bite. The swell is like a storm swell. This is ridiculous. I had no idea it was going to be like this, but it did rain yesterday, so I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb. Maybe I should have anticipated it. It would be good if I did the research first, but nope, didn't do it. Brought the Lucky Craft. Birds nested that thing second cast, so was trying the curly tail grub. No bites. So now I'm trying the sandworm, just see if I can just get a fish on the board, you know? No skunk day today. Okay. Get down here without falling. You local guys know where I am. See if I can get a bite out here. It's pushing low tide, too low tide right now. But lagoon, I haven't, there was 3 other people fishing within eye shot. Not one person got one bite in an hour, so I moved. Might switch on the Berkeley Gulp sandworm. I actually did bring a Lucky Craft setup today. Took a couple casts with it. And the braided line I have on there, I've had for, I don't know, a couple of months now. And it's birds nested all over the place on my second cast, so that's out of commission for today, which is unfortunate because that's why I came out here at low tide, was to hope for a halibut, but you never know. That last halibut I caught a couple videos ago, if you haven't seen that, I'll put the link in the description. That was caught on a Berkeley sandworm of all things. So you never know. Okay, switching it up to the trusty old sandworm, Carolina rig, 1/2 ounce weight. I know it's a 1/2 ounce weight this time. After that last video talking about not using a bead, I used to use beads. I've just kind of gotten lazier, I think. But I think I need to go back to it. The line gets less kinks right at the swivel, and you don't run the risk of having the weight pinch your line off at the swivel as well. That's the use of it. And I'm sure it probably causes a little bit of noise under the water, some clicking of some kind, fish like that. All right, I'm trying on the south side of the jetty. The channel, Snag City. I just kept getting snagged Now here there's giant clumps of kelp floating around everywhere. So, kind of like playing Minesweeper. Just try to get it in between them. I'm sure I'm gonna regret this, but you know, if this doesn't work out. Woohoo! Oh no! Oh no, I have a fish, but he's in that freaking giant thing of kelp right there. Oh, there we go. Did he stay on? Yeah, there we go. All right. Skunk day is off. God, that was chaos. All right. Put him in the water for a second. I left him hooked for an extra moment while I got my gloves on, but I really don't want to drop him. If you drop him in these rocks, they're gone forever, and I want to make sure he gets loose. There we go. Barred surf perch. Nice and pretty. Look at those colors. So pretty. All right, buddy. Let you go. Later. Nice. Alrighty. See if we can have a little luck again. Alright guys, that'll do it. I figured I'd fish until I basically bird's nested or knotted up the other one, and that's exactly what I did. So there was no getting around it today. I knew I was playing with fire, so yeah, caught one. It's better than nothing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.